Want a smartwatch but don't know where to start? Welcome to Gadgeto Lab, your go-to spot for the latest and smartest tech gear. In today's video, we're putting the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro and Garmin Fenix 7 Pro head-to-head to see which one truly stands out. By the end, you'll have a clear idea of which one is worth your attention. Let's get into it. Technical specifications. Comparative analysis. Talking about the materials and build, the Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro features a 46mm titanium case with sapphire glass and a ceramic back, focusing on premium style while staying lighter at about 54 grams. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro uses a tougher 47mm fiber-reinforced polymer case with steel rear cover and power glass lens built for rugged outdoor durability at about 79 grams. The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro has a larger 1.47-inch AMOLED display with 466 by 466 resolution and up to 3000 nits brightness, while the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro uses a smaller 1.3-inch memory and pixel display at 260 by 260, prioritizing sunlight visibility and power efficiency. The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro packs an 867 mAh battery with up to 21 days of use and up to 40 hours GPS tracking, while the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro offers up to 22 days of smartwatch battery and up to 57 hours GPS use, extending even further with solar assist. Huawei focuses on health tools like ECG, arterial stiffness detection, skin temperature, emotional well-being tracking, and 40-meter free diving support. Garmin counters with advanced training readiness, recovery metrics, multi-band GPS, offline topo maps, and a built-in LED flashlight, giving it stronger performance-oriented tools. The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro was launched in September 2025, starting around €379, or roughly $445, positioning it as a more affordable premium option. The Garmin Fenix 7 Pro was launched in May 2023, starting around $799, placing it in the higher-end adventure watch category. The Huawei Watch GT 6 Pro is aimed at users wanting premium design, strong health tracking, and long battery life at a lower price, while the Garmin Fenix 7 Pro is designed more for serious athletes, hikers, endurance users, and advanced outdoor navigation. Like, share, and subscribe. Gadgeto Lab has plenty more smart tech comparisons and reviews coming your way, so don't miss what's next.